Hello lovelies, welcome back to today's video. In this video I was just making some sort of snacks for my children, and my children love this so much. They really loved it. This is a cup of sweet corn. Feel free to use any of your preferred corn. I added some salt, some black pepper and egg, and mixed everything together. In a frying pan, I added some vegetable oil. After allowing the oil to get hot, the next thing I did was to add some onions, some chopped onions, and allow the onions to fry for some time. After that, I went ahead and added this chicken franks, which I allowed to fry for some time before adding the corn together with the egg. Just like when you're frying your egg or when you're making your frittata, so I just added the corn and allow it to cook gently on a low heat. Here now, the egg and the corn is all fried, so I went ahead and added the cheese. I covered the frying pan to allow the cheese to melt. Went ahead and sprinkled some parsley, fresh parsley. After that, guys, the recipe is ready. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead now and hit that subscribe button. Turn on the bell icon so you don't get to miss my videos. Anytime I upload a video, a new recipe, you will be updated by YouTube that I have just released a video. So like the video. Thank you for supporting my channel to grow. I really appreciate it. See you in my next video. Bye.